What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Think Welding and More. Today we're going to be doing part 4 of our Nissan Titan roll cage. Alright, so we're out here today. We're going to be working on the roll cage. If you haven't seen part 1, 2, and 3, I suggest checking it out. Today we're going to be working on the top portion. I'm going to do a tube across the top of the windshield, connecting the two A-pillars. It's going to have 3 bins in it. After we fit that up, I'll do the center tube and then the 2 diagonals. Now that you know my game plan, let's move on. Alright, so I got the piece all made up. I'm going to go ahead and put it up here. And now I'm going to go ahead and tack it up, cut the tacks on the side, pull the whole thing out and weld it on my table. And then we will reinstall it with a ratchet strap to hold it in place. That way we can measure for our diagonals and cut those and get those ready.
Meanwhile, brisket.
So I got that part fit back up in the truck. I'm using a ratchet strap to hold it in place. It's a helpful tool. Now I'm able to take measures for the diagonals so we can continue on with the roof of the roll cage. Alright, so I'm out here in the truck. I'm gonna start measuring for my diagonals. I bring some tools with me to help figure it out. Once I get it cut, fit up, and bent, we'll put it in place and work on the other one. Alright, so if you're going to be using a pipe master to figure out your cope and draw it on your tubing, it is a snug fit, and I recommend filing the end first. That way it slides on easy. you can see I got it fit in place. I'm really happy with the way it looks and the progress that I'm making. Like always, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. See you next time.